How to change your ace on Brawl Stars. The very first thing you want to do is to head over to your application Brawl Stars. Enter your login credential, as in your username and the password, and simply log into your specific account. Once you have been logged into your account, if you move into the settings, you won't find any option or the menu where you'll be able to change your ace. So it is actually impossible to directly change the ace on Brawl Stars. But if you really want to change, then what you want to do is head over to settings and then move into help and support. After that, you can simply report the Brawl Stars support. You can state the issue that you have been facing on the game. Once you have stated your problem, they will analyze your issue, and after that, they will try to fix the issue as soon as possible. Now the main thing you can try doing is simply delete this account and create a new account. While creating a new account, you will be given to enter the ace. In there, you have to enter the ace that you prefer, and then after that you'll be good to go. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can change your ace on Brawl Stars. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. We'll see you in the next one.